Hey everybody, this is Dee from Dee's Delicious Bites, and I'm back with another video. Video. Hey, y'all, let's go check out my video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've been in it for a minute, thank you for coming back. Now let's get into the video. You guys, today was a long day, had to work, of course, do my 9 to 5 kind of thing. And I didn't take anything out to cook for dinner, and I'm hungry, and I really need something fast. Again, I live in Northeast Ohio. It is cold here right now, so you kind of want something tasty and something that sticks to your bones. So, what else can I make that's really fast and easy, and it's going to taste good? I'm going to throw together some ramen. But not just any ramen. I'm going to jack this ramen up. Give it some more flavor, give it some more taste. So what I have is the shrimp flavored ramen. You can get whatever flavor you want. You know they come in a million different kinds. But the pork is hard to find, you guys. Don't even know what's up with that. But the pork ramen, it flies off the shelf for some reason. Anyway, to my ramen, I'm going to add some shrimp. Told you, we're going to jack this ramen up. We're going to make it heartier, make it taste better. Not just going to be your typical ramen. I'm going to add some garlic powder to the shrimp, some red pepper flakes, of course my salt and pepper I have over here. I'm going to add some green onion or some scallion, whichever one you want to call it. I have some shredded carrots, or I think they're called matchstick carrots. I have those. I love mushrooms, so I have shiitakes. You can use whatever kind of mushrooms you want. I have a handful of baby spinach that we're going to be adding. I also have some boiled eggs. Put a couple of those in there. I've got my soy sauce. I have some sesame oil. And to give it a little kick, give it some heat, I have gochujang. Gochujang is a product of South Korea. It is fermented hot chili paste. And it adds spice, it adds flavor, and it's going to be really good. If you've not tried it in your ramen, if you're making a spicy ramen, give it a try. See if you like it. So, anyway, on the stove I have my water boiling for the ramen. I'm going to go ahead and season my shrimp with what else? My pink salt. I'm a fan of the pink salt. Going to add a little bit of pepper to that. And some garlic powder. Just to taste, whatever you guys want to do. And we're still waiting on that water to come to a boil. So, while we're waiting on that to happen, let me talk to you guys a little bit about gochujang. Gochujang I found while watching the Cheap Lazy Vegan. And she uses chili paste in a lot of her recipes, and I've always wanted to try it. I kept thinking, I wonder what that tastes like. I mean, I bet it would be really good in some ramen or in some, you know, barbecue sauce or something hot and spicy. So I said, I'm going to put it in my ramen and make it do what it do. Because usually I would put some hot sauce in it, and I still might. But I'm going to give this gochujang a try. And you can find this at your local grocery store. That's where I found mine, at Giant Eagle. So it says that gochujang is similar to miso paste, and I like miso paste. It's with a strong umami flavor. Umami means that it's really good in your mouth. It has wonderful mouth texture. If you don't know what umami means, that's what it means. Anyway, it says that gochujang is intense in flavor. It has a thick texture and should be thinned out with a liquid such as oil, stock, or water. We're going to be thinning ours out inside the ramen noodle stock. It says it's very important to remember that it contains sugars and can easily burn when searing or grilling meats. Traditionally, gochujang is used in marinades for Korean barbecue, added to dipping sauces, or used to kick up the spice in home-style stews or soups. We recommend using gochujang to prepare bibimbap chili sauce. Now, I've not had bibimbap, but I've seen the Cheap Lazy Vegan do her version of bibimbap, and it looks really good. It looks like something I would want to try. Gochujang, after you use it, you need to refrigerate it. And if I'm butchering the name, I'm so sorry. But we're going to try this. I think it's going to be really good. My water is boiling at the moment. So what I want to do is go ahead and open my ramen and add it to the pot. And because seafood, as we all know, cooks really quickly, I don't have to pre-cook it. I don't have to do anything to it first. It's just going to go in the pot. So you guys, this is the shrimp flavor seasoning packet that comes with the ramen. It comes with every packet, depending on what flavor you get. That's what seasoning you get. Sometimes I don't add the seasoning. Sometimes I do my own. Seasoning just to try to keep down some of the sodium level. Some of the sodium. So sometimes I won't use it. Today I'm using it. I want all my flavors. I'm going to add my flavor packet. And I'm telling you guys, it's going to be a short video because this cooks up really quick. I am going to add the gochujang. And I'm adding a half a teaspoon. Here we go. Half a teaspoon of gochujang. Maybe a little less. You guys, this is what it looks like. I'll show you. And it smells really good. It smells smoky. It smells like it's going to be good. I've not used it before, obviously. Like I said, I normally would use hot sauce. But I really want to try this. So, adding about this much. You don't find this in the refrigerator section initially. You find it in the ethnic food aisle, but after you open it, you do need to refrigerate it. To that, I'm going to add the carrots, because they take a little longer to cook. I'm going to add my soy sauce. All of this is just by eye, you guys. I don't really have a measurement for this. I just know what it looks like, how I want it to look. And how it, by a certain look, I know that it's going to taste a certain way. Like when my broth is really dark, I know that I have enough soy sauce in it. I'm going to add some sesame oil, just a couple of swirls of that. That was less than a quarter of a teaspoon, you guys. I'm going to add in my mushrooms. Those are thicker mushrooms, the shiitake, so they'll cook down a little bit. I add my pepper flakes, and again, the gochujang is spicy, so you might not want to add a whole lot of pepper flakes. I'm going to throw in my shrimp, and you can pre-cook your shrimp if you want to. I just don't choose to do that. It will cook just fine in the broth. I don't want to pre-cook them and make them rubbery or make them get tough. And the shrimp, like I said, don't take that long to cook. Neither does the spinach. So we're going to go ahead and add our handful of spinach and let that just go ahead and wilt. At this point, you could turn it off and the shrimp and the spinach would continue to cook. They would finish off cooking. I'm going to add the egg that I chopped up, and I'm going to go ahead and add the scallions. I think I am going to go ahead and add in my hot sauce, but Texas Pete hotter hot sauce, that's going to kick it up. You guys, I think I want to add a little more garlic. So you guys, what I like to do is add a little bit more egg on top for garnish. A couple more slices, just to make it pretty. Presentation is important. Then I left some of the scallion, or the green onion. I left some in strips so that I can place them around. Like so. I like to top it with a little bit more pepper flakes and just a swirl of the sesame oil. Just go around just like that. And you guys, this is the finished product. This is my version of jacked up ramen. Doesn't that look delicious? That really looks amazing. So that's the end of my video, you guys. I am about to get it in. I am starving, like I said, and this smells so good. So I thank you so, so much for stopping by. Again, if you're new to my channel, thank you for dropping in. Check me out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another delicious bite. And again, if you've been in it for a minute, thank you for coming back. You guys have a great day. And remember, you can do amazing things. So be blessed, be safe, and be the best you can be. I love you guys so, so much. Bye.